What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are at Columbia Space Center in the city of Downey. Let me show you around. They ate.
Alright, you guys, so we're currently checking out space food. There is over 50-year-old food on display. So we have everything from applesauce, we got grape jam, coffee, toothpaste, bacon squares, cocoa, we got potato salad, we got tuna salad, corn chowder. Let's see what else we got. There's a lot of kids here. We are going to pick a parachute and we're going to pick an attachment. Ava's got the blue. There you go.
That one felt really fast.
Yeah. It was the parachute that made the difference or the attachments. We are at the paper planes, so we're going to build paper planes. They have a book with all different types of paper planes. I think I'm going with the Speed Demon. There's the classic, the snub nose, Speed Demon, the floater. And then we're going to go over to this machine and we're going to place it in the middle, press start, and the goal is to see how far it can go.
What?
This is my paper airplane, and right now I'm gonna launch it. Oh, Dad, I think we made it the wrong way. Yeah,
My
let's see.
phone, it's called the basic
It's
jump.
actually not bad. It looks really good.
Guys, so we are doing this. What is this called? Paper airplane test? Let me see everybody's airplane. Hold your plane up. Let us know whose plane's gonna fly the farthest. Comment Rachel, comment Dad, comment Ava, comment Jordan. Let us know. I've created the Speed Demon. I think I might win.
Guys, I did it all by myself.
Let's see what you got.
Into the robotics lab. It looks like they're going to do a demonstration, so let's go check it out. Oh.
For 2 seconds, and then the second one should say move downwards for 2 seconds.
That way?
Alright, you guys, so they need to code their robots to take that rock from one side to the other. This is like a soccer match.
This is
Hey guys, so we're in the robotics lab. Right here, they're going to do some coding. So you're given an iPad. They also have hands-on demonstration, or you can just take the wheel and do it yourself. You're going to do a little competition, see who can get the rock in the middle to the other side, but you have to be able to code it to move the robotic. So they just have a bunch of different stations. It looks like over here, just all different types of robotics that have been built. So stay tuned to see who the champion is.
Alright, my turn. My turn to go, hold on. Wait. Let's see mine. Come see my thing that I'm trying to add, Dad. It's not working. Look. Hey, whoa. Do you see? But it's not picking up.
Waiting to see who wins.
Y'all gotta find your mom. Where's she at?
I'm actually really intelligent, so it shouldn't take long for me to get a rock.